Everyone, hello everyone. Myself Nimit Jain. In last lecture, we have read about big data management and how big data used in daily life and what is the main characteristic of big data. So we continued with this chapter. Now, benefit of big data. Real-time big data is not the just process to storing petabytes and exabyte of data of warehouse. It's also ability to make better decision to take meaningful actions of right time. The fast forward of the present and technology like Hadoop gives the scale of flexibility of stored data before you can going to process on multi technology like map reduce hive and impact data. You can run queries without the changing the data reduction and underneath storing big data. Analysis your data characteristics, selecting data sources of analysis, elimination rejecting data, and establishing the role of NQSQL. The big data storage data models, key values, graph, documents, column family, Hadoop distribute file system, HBase or Hive, processing big data, integrating disparate data storage, mapping data of programming framework, employing Hadoop of MapReduce, types of tool, where is processing hosted, where is data stored, what is the programming model, how data stored and indexed. Risk of big data, we will be so overwhelmed, need to write people to solve the right problems, cost escalates too fast. Many sources of big data, privacy, self-regulation, the power of big data. The big data can be big values of our life, almost every aspect. Technology, big data is bringing out changes in our lives because allows dispersed or heterogeneous data be fully integrated and analyzed to help us make decisions. Then relation reference architecture is given by this. Non-relation reference of architecture given by these terms. Interpretations of use the case one by one, how program is going, and then this is data discovery and non-relational architecture is given by this. Interpretation of use class one by one. Business reporting hybrid architecture is given by all this time. The interpretation of use one by one, real-time intelligence and data discovery and business reporting. The lambda architecture is new data, batch lawyers, service layers, then queries and real-time solution. Tips of designing big data sources, understand data users of sources, discover architecture driver, selected proper reference, do trade of analysis, address maps, reference architecture of technology, prototype, evaluate an architecture, estimate implementations, effort, setup, develop practice from every beginning, advance in solution, develop through small wins and be ready to changes big data technology evolution. Actually, big data is needs teamwork because joint effort by researchers of academic institute, government and society and industry. So the government and industry are sources of big data, provided the problem and challenges. The academic researchers are solution provider, and even it comes to package the solution from university level labs of transfer the real world. University and industry must work together to build a scalable and robust solution. So I complete my chapter. Thank you very much.